Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, Auto Rotation is now on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Display. Then scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!